Flawless Beauty's channel.
What day is it?
Today is Mardi Gras, which is Fat Tuesday.
So tell me, what do you guys think of when you hear Mardi Gras? Because I think flashing tits and getting beads.
Lots of beads.
But this is YouTube. We can't do that. So we are making a traditional Mardi Gras king cake. What on earth is a king cake? Well, I'm going to tell you what it is. It is a braided, sweet bread. Think of a ginormous
brioche.
A ginormous cinnamon roll with frosting and sanding sugar, and it's shaped like a crown, so you can wear it like a king.
Green, purple, and gold.
Yes, the
That's
traditional
the colors.
Mardi Gras colors.
With a little baby inside, but we
We
didn't
get a baby because it's a plastic, and I was like, oh my god, what if it melts? Then we can't eat it. And that's the best part of cooking and baking, is eating the food. So there's no baby in it, but traditionally, if you get the baby in your piece, supposedly it gives you good luck, and it makes you the host of next year's Fat Tuesday party.
Cool.
Now this is your moment.
Okay. Okay, guys, and if you were wondering why they celebrate Mardi Gras, it's because it is Fat Tuesday, which is the very big feast of all good parties, feasts, foods, and alike, before Ash Wednesday, which is the start of Lent. So, are you ready to make this feast cake?
Yes,
King's
we
cake?
are ready, and it is a 3-hour recipe, so it is
Oh my
going to
gosh.
be fast forward.
Yes.
And we're going to take you along step by step, and I hope you guys make it too, because I've never had one, and I'm hoping it is delicious.
I hope so too.
So let's get in the kitchen, and let's get started.
Mix 2.5 cups of flour and yeast in mixing bowl, using the paddle attachment on low for about 30 seconds.
Heat milk in the microwave for about 2 minutes until it reaches 120 to 130 degrees. You're going to mix the milk, sugar, and salt.
Add eggs one at a time. Continue mixing until a shaggy dough forms.
Clean off the paddle and switch to a dough hook. Mixing in the remaining 1 cup of flour a little at a time, adding more or less flour as needed to make a soft dough.
Add the softened butter a piece at a time, kneading until each piece of butter is absorbed. Knead for 8 minutes on low. The dough should completely clear the sides of the bowl. If it is too sticky, add additional flour 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing in thoroughly before determining if more flour is needed. If the dough seems too dry, spritz with water from a spray bottle a couple of times, mixing in thoroughly before determining if more water is needed. Every 2 minutes, stop the machine, scrape the dough off the hook, then continue kneading.
Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead a few times by hand to be sure it's smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a ball. Place dough into a greased bowl and turn once so the greased surface is on top. Cover bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour.
While the dough is chilling, make cinnamon filling. Combine the brown sugar and ground cinnamon. Combine butter with cinnamon mixture and mix well.
Roll the chilled dough into a 10 by 20 inch rectangle. Spread the filling on half of the long side of the dough and fold it over, covering half of the filling. Pinch the pieces of dough together so they stick well.
Cut dough into 3 long strips. Press the tops of the strips together and braid the strips. Press the ends together at the bottom.
Having the braid at approximately 20 inches, you want to shape it into a circle or an oval, pressing the edges together. This is the time, if you so desire, to add the miniature plastic baby before completely sealing it.
Transfer the ring to a parchment-lined or greased baking sheet. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rise until doubled, about 1 hour.
While the dough is rising, preheat your oven to 350. You're going to want to bake your cake until it is golden brown, somewhere between 20 and 35 minutes depending on your oven. Remove from the oven and let cool for 10 minutes on the baking sheet. Then place it on a cooling rack to cool completely before icing.
Icing. In a small bowl, mix the powdered sugar, the milk, and vanilla until smooth. Add additional milk if the mixture is too thick, or powdered sugar if it's too thin. Spoon the icing over top of the cake and immediately sprinkle on colored sugar, alternating between the 3 colors, purple, gold, and green.